What is going on, my Purpe fam? How's everything going today? As you can see, we're looking at Purpe laying on the rich gold and silver and riches and all that good jazz. So, before we get started, guys, go and like this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and share it with your friends. Now, we have a purple Pepe coming in at 2466 for the day. $10.37 million market cap, liquidity 673.8, circulating supply 420.66, and we have volume at $23.62,000. So let's see what we got going on. Today's Monday. It is Christmas week, holiday week. So everybody is excited. Everybody, I think, is just kind of waiting for this year to end. It's been kind of a year when it comes to the markets. We had a great January, and then everything has kind of fallen. So that's not really that great. But I mean, we will definitely have to see what happens the remainder of the year, which is like what, a week left. It's already the 22nd, and there's 31 days, so we got about 9 days left, so a little over a week, and then we can kind of see what is going to happen after that. So we have the group 19.7 thousand followers for one of the groups that push Purpe, so it definitely has some exposure. And then we have the let's see, we'll put it there, and then we have the X account. So it's coming, right? Look at that. So Purpe is trying to get in to trying to get into the door, and the other Purpe is like, you ain't coming to get me. And let's see. Actually, I haven't even watched this. Let's see what happens. So, looks like the Battle of the Purpes. The Battle of the Purpes. Roof access. Let's see. So, it looks like the good guy Purpe versus everybody else. And now he's calling the chopper. Let's see. Calling the chopper and getting taken away. So cool little animation. Cool, really cool animation. So kind of what I get from that is Purpe, he fought off all the haters, he fought off all the other people, and he absolutely took the rooftop and escaped and made a lot of money. So that's pretty sweet. And then we got the 19th. Let's see what else. So yeah, it looks like that is the biggest update. So pretty much what I get from that is it's coming, guys. We are looking at making the rise is coming. Purpe is going higher. The private flights and all that good jazz. So good stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at the overall market. We'll get back into the Purpe chart here in a second. So the overall market is, guys, it's still, let's see, still red, 22.3% down for quarter four. So we had, a decent green, a slight green, and then a red 22% on the markets. So let's see. So we're getting a little bit more, a little less fearful, right? So we were at 20, and then I think we're like 17, and then 22, and then 28, and then 29. I think a lot of people are getting really hopeful for what is to come. Bitcoin is kind of stabilizing at 88. We have altcoin or Bitcoin season right now, the majority of it. So most of the money is going towards Bitcoin. And then we have the RSI. People are not really buying or selling. They're kind of just they're kind of in the middle, right? So they're kind of in the middle. And we got Bitcoin at 88,657, Ethereum at just over 3,000, Solana at 126. So what we're really looking for is this Solana, right, to continue to go up, to continue to rise, and I think that after that does that, we will be able to see these altcoins rise, see Purpe rise, and make a ton of money. So good stuff, good stuff. Let's see. We have Chainlink at 1264, Hyperliquid at 2484 or 2481, Zcash at 430, Sui at $1.46. So we got the market overall is kind of just staying almost at a standstill. So we might have to kind of wait and see what is gonna happen after the holidays, right? After the holidays. So what I think can happen, we might get through like Christmas and we can either have a nice little pop for New Year's, or we might have to get through New Year's and then have a little rally in January, kind of start the new year off right. But I'm still seeing that, that inverse shoulder, inverse head, and kind of the inverse shoulder on the daily chart for Purpe. And so that is kind of what I'm seeing on that end. And then let's see on the hourly chart. Let's see what we got. Let's see, what's the hourly chart look like? We gotta zoom in. So we're in this channel, right? And so this downward channel is let's see, let's make this a little bit longer so we can kind of see how this downward channel is playing out. So the downward channel, I think, is just continuing to bounce off of these levels, and eventually it's going to boom. So as we see, we try to break up above here, go above 25s. But guys, with a $10 million market cap, it is super easy. We're not dealing with billions of dollars. It is super easy to go ahead and reverse this and continue to go on up. I can definitely see that. So kind of excited to see how this plays out. Kind of excited how to see how this plays out. What I am seeing also is that we have a bottom here and a bottom there on the RSI. And so normally when we have a double bottom, we we can see a little bit of upward trending. So that's kind of what I'm seeing from there. And looks like it rejected. So technically, I mean, we might go down to the 23s. We have a little bit more to fall on the RSA right here, a little more right here. So if we can't break above the 25s, we might need to go down there and touch the mid 2-3s, and then come back up. But if we can hold it, that'll be great. If not, that's kind of where I see us going next. So that's what I see kind of coming in the short term. I think right now a lot of people are more focused on the holidays, and so we'll have to see what comes about and what kind of comes from this. So 12.8 thousand followers, is that 2464, and yeah, so that is pretty much the updates I have for you guys today. Not too much new. We're just getting through day by day. I think we gotta have, unfortunately, the red quarter on both Ethereum and Bitcoin before we can start looking up. So, but who knows? Coins like Purpe, strong community, they absolutely can just rip it out of the water. So right now I'm just hodling, bull posting, and dollar cost averaging. So that's kind of what I'm seeing when it comes to Purple Pepe. Trust me, when this thing flies, it is going to fly like nobody's business, and this thing is going to absolutely soar out of the water. So that is something that I can foresee. Let's see, do we have Poly Market? Let's see what's going on with Poly Market real quick. See if Fed decision in January. So kind of going down a little bit. We had 22, then 20, now it's 19%. So not a lot of people are confident that we're going to get a rate cut in January. Let me know in the comment section. Do you guys think we're going to get a rate cut in January? We had, I think, three, three back to back, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. So a rate cut in January. Are they going to go for the whole percent, or are they going to finish up with 0.75% and call it a day? We gotta kind of see that play out, and so kind of excited to see what happens when it comes to the rate cuts. We got less than 2 weeks, guys, of the year. We're in 2026. Absolutely crazy, absolutely insane. And you know what? Another thing I want to do is let's see what people are saying about the markets. Sometimes, got it. Sweet. Where is it? All right, we got this guy kind of bearish. Let's see. Good morning. Have you seen Chris's? Let's see. Trying to see if people are bullish or bearish. So Trump is planning to replace Jerome Powell by the first week of January. So who knows? We might get a rate cut if he replaces Jerome Powell, and this new guy wants to really show everybody kind of what he can do. Then we might get some more cuts, right? So breaking, bull run 9 months, 6 month bear trap. Bull run 9 months, 6 month bear trap. Bull run 9 months, 6 month bear trap. We are exactly at month 6 again. So are we going? So is this the bear trap? Are we going to be looking up? I think we could be, right? I think we. I've been saying we haven't really seen meme coins, Solana, stuff like that run since last January. So if there's about a year bear market for these things, we could see that that bearish time already happened, and maybe we're gonna hit January and we're gonna go and just be more bullish. So there's a lot of people, I guess, that are saying, hey, altcoin season. I'm not an altcoin season believer, but it looks like we're way too obvious. So guys, altcoin season is coming. It seems like a lot of people are saying that we are looking for an altcoin season. We are looking for we're looking for some bullish times. So a little bit bullish about that. Definitely bullish about that. So altcoins are almost as oversold as they were during COVID. So yeah, let's go ahead and repost some of this, because I definitely do think that we are going to definitely see some very, very bullish some bullish times with these altcoins. Look at that. Here's another one. So everyone's saying it, right? We are looking at bullish times. So what does that mean, guys? That means have your conviction plays like Purpe, buy dollar cost average. This bull flag is bound to break out, and when it breaks out, it is going straight for that right shoulder, and then maybe a retest somewhere. I could see it coming up, maybe hitting the mid fours, coming down, hitting maybe just touching that 3.9, and then absolutely breaking to the upside. That's kind of what I'm seeing. So just hodl. I think there's a little bit of hopium, a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel, and I think we're gonna see it. I think it's coming. And but let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I know a lot of people are kind of walking away, max pain. Trust me, feeling it too, guys, feeling it too. But no pain, no gain, right? No pain, no gain. So I think we are really, really getting close to getting some massive gains, and super exciting times I think are coming. And let's just buy Purpe. Buy Purpe. And sorry, I was looking for the so I have like 3 screens, and so it's like screen and then screen and then screen over there. But Anyway, so bye Purpe, hodl, dollar cost average.